How you doing? This is Bilal with Houston Handyman Solution, and right now I'm going to show you a project I did. I mounted a TV. I actually had a few projects in here in this house to do. It's actually an apartment building, and I'm measuring out where I'm going to put the TV mount at. Now, this apartment is a luxury apartment, and a lot of those apartments have metal studs, so I had to use toggle bolts to get this up. Like I said before, this is I had a few projects doing here. I mounted 2 mirrors and another TV, and had to assemble a bed. The bed I was not supposed to assemble. The movers were supposed to disassemble and assemble the bed back, because this guy moved from one apartment to another apartment in the same building. But I don't know. They didn't have any tools, so I went up there and took all the screws out. They disassembled it, brought it downstairs to assemble it. They assembled it, and I went to go actually tighten the screws, and come to find out the whole bed was not done right. So anyway, I just showed you that thing there. That is a tool, a step-up drill that helps me drill through metal. And because this building has metal studs, and like I said, I'm going to be using toggle bolts. So I have to kind of be careful with it, because I remember that bit, I think that bit costs around $9 for just that bit right there. And it might cost $20. I can't remember. But it's pretty expensive. And I remember one time, actually 2 times, I drilled into a wall and it fell behind the wall. So I just lost the amount of money I spent right there. And, so that just cuts down on costs. That cuts down on profit. So I was being real careful and drilling into that actual, those metal studs, because I needed to get that bit back so I can use it, obviously, for different projects and not just throw money down a drain. And I think right here I'm definitely talking to the movers that were there, and also talking to my client as well. I had to move my tripod back and forth because they were just kind of moving the bed in there, and so yeah, just pretty much getting it done. But what I like to do here is I like to use an actual what is it called? I can't believe I'm having a brain fart right now. But an actual level to make a line, and then just put the actual mount up, and mark out 3 holes, and then drill the 3 holes like that. And in this case, I'm gonna be using toggle bolts. Now, I go to Home Depot a lot because I have a pro account with Home Depot. But the problem is there's some places that you go that have better stuff. And Home Depot has pretty much a lot of good stuff. There are a lot of good tools, a lot of good fasteners. But the one thing they lack on is their toggle bolts. The toggle bolts, you buy a pack of 10, I think it's pretty expensive for a pack of 10. The pro toggle bolts, the ones that actually are good. And if you get them in right, they do work well. But the problem is that they break a lot. Like, you're trying to get them in there and they just break and they fall. And so I think I bought a pack of 10 and 4 of them broke. So I'm like, okay. And the best place to get toggle bolts, the really strong toggle bolts, are from Lowe's. Those are the best. I mean, hands down. There's no better toggle bolts I've ever used. It's Lowe's 100%. I just don't. It's hard for me to go shop at Home Depot for everything else, because I got the pro account, and then go buy the toggle bolts at Lowe's. I think I just need to just Amazon them and everything like that. But anyway, that's me putting the toggle bolts in there and trying to get everything together. I'm not sure if you see. I'm not sure if I broke in here. No, I don't think I broke any here. It was actually, I mounted another TV that I broke four of them. And I need to put four in there, so it was kind of ridiculous. And so anyway, this one I'm having trouble with. As you can see, I'm kind of working with it. Obviously I sped up the video, but that took much longer. I was there for like 2 minutes trying to get that toggle bolt in there. And so now I'm about to go ahead and mount this. They mount on the wall. And these toggle bolts are very, very strong. I never do it. I have seen people do pull-ups or at least hang on it, hang on the mount after putting their toggle bolts into the metal studs. I never do it. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. But I've seen people that hang on them, but I'm not doing that. I mean, I'm 240 pounds of pure muscle.
Oh, it's right here.
But right here, I'm just, got the cord, about to put that up. And they want an apartment-friendly wire concealment, and I actually did that for them. You know, this is just how I do it in these apartments, you know, getting it done, making sure it looks clean.
So, Jake, you're going to need an extension
and my
cord
client was super happy. And it's the end result right here. They're still moving, so. But Houston Handyman Solution. Give us a call.